Alright. Here we go.
So you just... Oh, I see. Oi! What are you doing?
No! Please!
Get him! Yeah!
Oh, flip!
Oh my god. Wait, what? Where am I?
Nowhere.
Where am I?
Oh, flip.
Where's your ass?
Definitely not already pulling the lever. Oh. Flip.
No!
Ah!
Wait a minute.
Yes!
No! Nah, fuck this. What?
I'm just carrying gumdrops, man! I'm the gumdrop delivery person!
Get back over there. I said get back over there. Oh shit.
No!
No! I am going to kick your ass. I should kick your skin.
Ow! No! Please!
A mercenary. You're using one hand. Oh, you stupid.
Yeah, you could die to that.
Dude, can we let... Dude, I just want to beat each other up, not drag fucking candies.
Oh, no, that comes later. Like, in a different map.
No, I just want arcade, my guy.
Oh, that guy just went into the elevator.
Like,
Or
unless
two.
unless we get
Listen, don't leave, alright?
mercenary, I don't want AIs either.
Dude, if we don't have AIs, then it's gonna be a stalemate in some of these, alright?
No. Like, I'm saying that we should probably have real people. Dude,
But I thought you said you... Oh, he's online?
He's online now, yeah. Hold on, don't text him yet.
Why didn't you say so? Join me in the voice? Right there.
Mercenary, is that you?
Yeah, that's me. Alright, so the basic gist of this game, you make sure that the other players don't get enough coal.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let my AI do all the work and let me just kill you both.
Alright, then I'll do the same to you.
I will take you all on bracket.
My AA player's kinda stuck. How did that even happen? Man, you're both here. What the flip? Ow. AI player, do something, please. Ow. No! I've been run over! Please, my faithful AI!
Dominance. Right here. Oh no!
Ow.
No! What's my AI doing?
He's trying to put coal into the train. Ah, flip, I let go. What are you doing, you goofy boy?
Come on. Not like this. Now it's a little bit too Hey, what are you doing? Dude, what are you doing?
I'm pulling the lever.
But why? We don't need to pull it.
Doom. When you pull...
Literally.
Alright then, so let me do it then.
Yeah, but oh, I get it. You're trying to fuel the train, but the lever. Why? Why is it throwing me back? Do now, yeah.
Ow! I landed on the freaking floor that killed me. Oh.
Fuck you.
Alright, buddy. Alright. Wolf, what are you doing? Wolf flip, wolf flip. Must pull lever, must pull lever.
I must pull lever.
Oh, flip. Slow the train!
Hey,
Slow!
what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, flip! No!
Burn, you stupid!
No! Please! Please! Don't throw me in the furnace!
Burn you
No! Please! Please! No!
No!
Please!
Burning God!
That was not burning me! That was throwing me off the train!
Dude, I burnt your ass, bro.
Oh yeah, by the way, yeah.
Can we do arcade now?
I didn't hear you, what?
Marcus wants to join us.
Okay.
I'm leaving.
Alright.
No!
Yo, boy!
Birdie. Party
Marcus,
animals.
invite us to your party.
Hey, you guys just want to play some custom
Private?
games?
I kind of want to.
Yeah, just invite us to the party. I have no idea how to do that.
Sure, I can host.
I'm in for private arcade right now.
So like, here's the thing.
Hold on, I'm on the loading screen. I'm currently humping the R in the recreate.
Okay,
I'm
listen.
humping it.
Remember, Marcus? You remember that thing where we were like the cat and the dog sitting on the couch eating like
Yeah.
potato chips and stuff? Can
Yeah.
you put us into that? I have no idea how to do that.
I thought we were gonna play custom games.
Yeah, we are.
Game.
No wait.
That's not. Hold on. Let me just Here, let me invite you guys.
Yeah.
Well,
Let me just create a custom game real quick. It takes. All right. Nice. So I'm just gonna move here.
just to let you guys know, I'm
Alright,
I like to be the goose.
Yes, I'm usually like the Garfield cat, but I kind of want to use a ghost cat right now.
Last stand.
Oh, that's Typhoon.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just. I'll. Oh wait, no, I would apply. Maps. I'm just gonna select some more maps.
Yeah, just add all the maps.
No, not all the maps.
Well, what maps?
Alright, this is. Let me see. I'm gonna remove that one because I don't have that much time.
Okay.
Alright. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dude, how is this even gonna work? Cause like it's a 1v1v1. It's not gonna be a little fair, huh?
Is it? Will it not be fair though?
Here's the thing. It's a 1v1v1, so you have to be careful on who you take out first.
Hey guys.
Take you all on a live.
I'm gonna make a Transformers reference.
No, wait, look.
Live.
Hey, look at this. Look at me. I'm gonna be the ghost kid.
Okay.
Oh wait, now. No! Yeah, I'm out. Man, I'm out. You can't defeat me. Oh yeah, let's go! I yeeted myself off the building.
Bro, you gave Marcus a free win.
Yeah,
I have no idea. Oh wait, no. Come on. Here we go.
Let me. Oh shit!
I didn't throw it in time.
Hell no. Oh, scheiße!
Net.
Peace.
Hopefully.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Guess what?
No.
What?
Guess what? I have a question. I have a question for you.
Okay.
It's a fucking bomb!
Yeah, nice bomb.
Thanks.
This bomb's better.
Your bomb is stinking. Oh fuck! I'm already out. Damn, that stinks.
I told you, man. Better bomb.
Lollipop. What the fuck?
No, don't that mercenary. Doom, you
No.
fucking stinking!
I have pumpkin.
Dude, the beast gets so unconscious sometimes. I don't know why.
Man, mercenary has to go, man. Mercenary's gotta go.
No.
Let me pick up the fucking thingy.
Wait, he killed himself.
No, this doesn't work like that. I have nunchucks. Ah!
Oh fuck!
No.
Sorry, bro.
Oh, flip. No, please.
Yeah, baby.
No.
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 I inhaled through my nose too quickly, and now it feels like there's water in my nose.
Skill issue.
We better watch out, Marcus.
Man, you better watch out. Ah! Did we just knock each other? Wait, what? I drop kicked you too. What do you mean I only get knocked out? Lol. Lol. My bro thinks he's the main character.
Guess what, boys?
Bomb. I'm guessing bomb.
Bombs? You want it? Cheers, my friend.
No, I'm only gonna bomb when the whole place starts to fall over.
Oh, scheisse. Doom, we need to hurry this scheisse up. Doom, just let me throw you out. Just let me throw you out. Wait, if you don't do this, I will Among Us.
Man. Hey, Doom, you see what's happening on the other end of the castle?
Yep, I see it. No! No! No!
No, come on, pick him up. What? Did we just drop kick each other, but only yours counted? Wake up! Ah, come on!
Man! What is this?
Yes!
Doom!
Yeah, baby!
Dude,
Doom.
I threw you off so many times.
That was true enough. Ah, come on. Nah, guys, nah.
Why did I stop? What the flip?
Okay.
Bat! Give me the bat! Give me the bat!
Boomerang.
No.
Boomerang.
Boomerang?
Boomerang. Oh, nah, bro's Bat Goose. He's Bat Goose. Well, I'm Boomerang, man.
No, Boomerang. No.
No, I ran out of energy. Bro is lucky for real.
Man, shut up.
Bro got plot armor.
What do you mean?
I thought you said he wasn't the main character. Anyways, bat!
I mean, he's not. He just got plot armor.
Mercy, why are you going for me?
I'm a bat!
No, my fucking Boomerang.
Come here!
Nah, I'd rather not. How about no? Is that
Okay.
a hammer? Hammer!
He's got the 1,000-ton hammer!
Hammer! No, hammer!
Doom, drag him out!
No, wait, wake the fuck up, dumb kitty.
No, he's trying to grab.
I don't
Give me
even
the hammer!
want a hammer. No hammer. Hammer stinks.
Oh
Ow!
my god!
No! Please! No! Doom, you're gonna have to win this one, man. Cause if you don't, Marcus is gonna win.
Not this shit.
No.
Doom, throw him out!
Wake up. I'm awake.
Oh, flip!
No.
Yes.
Dude, I throw you like as long as I can, and you just go like an inch, and then you just throw me across the entire castle. What the hell?
No.
Oh, get wrecked!
No.
You get wrecked. Both of
Please!
y'all get wrecked.
No.
What is this?
I'm going Super Saiyan.
Keep
I'm
pulling
going
his dick
Super
out.
Saiyan. I'm
Keep
going
pulling his
Super
dick
Saiyan,
out.
guys. What?
He's pulling his dick out.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck did you just say?
Beat up bridge, let's go! Dude, you're gonna love this one.
Beat up. I'm gonna beat up.
And by the way, Doom, all these maps right here, they're from that third game that I was talking to you about.
I am small-eyed monkey.
You're Barbie. That's literally his name, Barbie.
No, he's Obama.
Monkey.
No, the monkey's name is literally just... Oh, okay, buddy. What the flip?
What? Me.
Good luck! Ooh, I control Oh, flip.
It seems that I have made a mistake. Oh my god, there's pumpkins in the background. Pumpkins in the background. Wait, guys, let's just enjoy the scenery.
Okay.
Let's just enjoy this.
I'm gonna pull it. No, please. No, please.
Is that Kent La Sangunaga?
No! Don't let him eat the Spanish! Dude! It's like, dude!
Kent La Sangunaga.
No, I want the plunger! Give me the plunger! No, please!
I hate La Sangunaga.
No! Please!
I am unstoppable with the La Sangunaga.
I know exactly what to do now.
I fucking died.
Is that a boomerang?
Motherfucker, my boomerang.
Ow!
It didn't. Just like
No,
that,
no,
it just
please!
does that.
Oh, he's got a bob! He's got a bob!
No, my boom! Boom! Bro, those nunchucks.
He's got a weapon!
Nah, bro.
Push him out! No! Ow!
I just went.
Please! No, please! No! Damn it!
I just threw a pumpkin.
I can look at you.
Yeah, this version of the map is stinky. I hate this version.
Pew pew.
No, don't,
Do
please.
not turn us to ice! No, please! Please!
All powerful. Oh. Ah! No!
Oh my god! My head's stuck! My head
Mercenary,
is stuck!
move, mercenary! Mercenary, move!
Oh my god!
Oh,
I
flip!
just broke myself!
The bridge is breaking! The bridge is breaking!
The brake is bridging! The brake is bridging!
Please! Get me out of here!
No! Don't get out of there!
Marcus, hit him with the pumpkin.
Let me out!
Yeah, I don't have a pumpkin yet. Alright.
Hey! Dude, I just want to get out of here!
Bro, you're stuck!
Oh, he's getting up!
No, please!
Mercenary, you wasted a lot of energy by holding on. Oh, mercenary!
No!
Mercenary!
No!
Mercenary!
I should have held on. Now you die, Doom! Now you freaking die!
Yeah, he died. He died. No. Kill him! Kill it! Oh! I'm taking a nap.
Wait a second.
Take a nap down
Random
there!
question. What happens if
What
I
do you-
manage to get on the other side?
Can't.
Like,
You can't.
Oh,
Not possible.
come here, I want to plunger you.
Why y'all teaming on me?
Because you're winning.
Y'all teaming.
You're winning.
Oh no! He's...
Ah! I punched him. Oh, flip. No, please.
Yay!
Wait, I'm on the island. I'm on the cliff. Oh, flip. I didn't win a single one. You're dead. Oh, flip. Oh, flip.
No! No, please!
Dude was already down. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Marcus is down. Get him, Doom.
You mean get him, Doom? Get this! Get my foot in his face!
Fight!
Get the
Guys,
fuck out of
please.
here!
But I'm get a kitty! Kitty! Oh!
Escape!
Mother... Damn. Man, why you jumping on my face? I don't want your goddamn doodle ass on my face.
No! Please!
Yes! Mercenary, what you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do about it, huh?
Ow. Oh, I headbutted you. Nice. Doom. Nah.
Here, use these.
It doesn't look like that. You need to launch a bomb.
No, my lasanguna.
Let's go! You fool! You went for the lasagna.
I can't lasanguna.
Oh!
Oh no. Oh, scheiße.
You two duke it out. You two duke it out.
Yeah.
What? Doom! Doom!
Mercenary,
Okay,
you
Doom.
gotta win this.
Yeah, I freaking know that, but you have to launch pumpkins at Marcus.
No. No, you don't. No proof.
Why?
Let me punch
Please.
your shite blood. Come here with that. Give me that ass, boy.
No! No! Please! It's No Nut
Give
November!
me
It's
that
No Nut
ass. Oh, that's
November!
a nice joke. I need sushi.
It's No Nut November!
Oh, wait, huh? Oh, yeah, you're right. No!
It's all! It's fair game, boys! It's fair game! Dude, it's fair game! I thought I kicked you! What the flip?
Oh my god.
Ow!
Damn! I'm just. Wait, dude, wait, don't do it! Don't do it!
No!
Yeah, that's the win!
No! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Fortnite moment!
Ow.
No, come on, grab!
Oh, please, please.
No, what? Me win.
Get
Me
him!
win.
Ow!
Yeah,
No!
I'll get him. Don't worry, I'll get him.
No, please, please!
What?
Oh!
What?
Get him!
How did I?
Get him!
He went. No. Who won? Please tell me. Please tell me I won.
Let's go!
Let's go, Mercenary!
Let's go!
Mercenary, Marcus, we still got team
Man,
effort.
fuck you.
We just hugged. What the fuck?
No, I fucking punch you in the face. Fuck you. I'm the winner. I'm the victor. Man, I'm tired. Man, I'm taking.
What are you doing, boy?
Wrangling his ass. Oh my god.
And I'm just taking a nap. I'm just like.
No, it's less sleep. It's less sleep. Oh,
It's
Doom,
a classic map.
Doom.
This might be stinky.
Doom.
Mercenary,
Please, Doom.
Mercenary, you just had to take a shit down there.
What the hell, man?
You just had to.
Bro, that's not a duck. This is a duck.
No, he's a goose. He's Untitled Goose Game.
You missed the hole. You hit the hole.
Please, I want the crossbow. It's tradition, boy. It's tradition.
No.
This is me beating your ass is tradition. Just like your dad beat your ass.
No,
Yeah,
please,
Mercenary is pretty much
please.
Get
Man.
up, soldier.
Marcus, you're kind of failing. Get wrecked with the pumpkin, boy.
Climb.
I'm gonna hit you with that pumpkin, boy. Oh!
No.
Now it's only a matter of time. Who gets out first?
Oh, shit.
Doom. Marcus.
What? What happened?
Marcus, what the hell?
Come on, pick 'em up. Upsies. You want upsies? You want upsies?
My dick go upsies. Oh,
Marcus, you protected Doom with the pumpkin. Hi, Marcus.
Ah.
Let's go!
I hate you guys so much. I didn't even do nothing.
I hate your
Bro,
You're
guys,
winning.
look at
That's
my
what you
corpse.
did.
Guys, look at my course. I'm like, man, I don't want to do this no more.
No! Please, man, please. Whack. Quacking noises.
My guy, ducks make quacking noises. You make
Honk. No! This is a stupid gun. Ah! Bombs? You want it? It's yours, my friend. Oh,
No, my lasangunaga.
no! What the fuck, man?
Nice to eat.
What am I
And what the Doom doing? What the Doom doing? What the Doom doing? You have a pumpkin. I just hit your dead body with a pumpkin.
Now you're dying.
No.
Mercy.
Incoming!
We're dying for that, Mercy.
Ow! Man!
Eat him!
No, please! It won't let me freaking. Oh, there we go.
Whack.
Ah! What were you doing to me, boy?
Me on my way. Me take nap.
Right in the ass, baby. Right in the ass.
Take this thing off me! Let's go. No!
Pluntor.
No, please.
Pluntor. I have Pluntor. Guys, it's me, the plumber.
No! Pick it up, you freaking shark! Pick it up the right way!
Yeah, get
Guys, one at a time.
Mercy.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Okay.
Oh my god.
No! Well, mercenary can't get out, so because
What
of the
freaking mean I can't get
What?
out?
No, I didn't place it right. I died for nothing.
Oh, please! I gotta get this freaking plunger out of me!
That's what.
Oh! Get up, please! Oh, get zapped!
Never back down, never give up.
Stop resisting! Ah! You're resisting!
Get the fuck out of here. No!
No, Doom, get up! Get the fuck up, Doom. The gas is gassing.
No!
Okay.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Wait! You died first, I think.
The poison! No! No, the gas!
What?
Yes!
Wait, how do you even...
Doom died to the gas first!
You really dying for that? Oh! No! Oh! Oh my god, no!
Shovel! Shovel!
Yes,
Shovel!
please.
Shovel.
Ow! I wanted to pick up racket.
No, screw you.
Let me eat you! Doom!
Ah! Doom! No! Doom! Please!
What?
Yes! Long live the church!
No!
No!
Get the frick out of here!
No, wait! What? I can't move.
Man, that's...
Dude, I'm like in there for like a few seconds and I die. And Mercenary's like in there for like a couple minutes and he lives. Oh. Aww.
Ow! you son of a baby.
Move!
No!
Ah!
Hey!
Hey!
That's standing.
Bam!
Why you Riz? Marcus, you think you have Riz on me?
This
And-
next
No, not November!
What? I think this is like my last round and then I got to go.
Oh.
No, actually, we'll settle this if Marcus goes.
Hey, Marcus. Quick
Yeah.
question.